In the quiet hallways of justice, a battle of wits is about to begin. It's not a fight with swords or shields, but with words, evidence, and the unwavering pursuit of truth. Welcome to the world of lawyers, the modern-day gladiators of the courtroom. Many of us only see this world through the lens of television dramas, full of last-minute confessions and dramatic objections. But the reality is far more complex, demanding, and profoundly human. Today, we pulling back the curtain to see what it truly takes to stand in a courtroom and fight for justice. Let's start with the foundation, the law itself. It's a vast and intricate web of statutes, precedents, and procedures built over centuries. Before a lawyer ever steps into court, they spend countless hours, often late into the night, buried in research. They're like detectives, piecing together a puzzle, looking for that one crucial case or that overlooked detail that could turn the tide for their client. Every word in a legal document matters. Every precedent can be a stepping stone or a stumbling block. This meticulous preparation is the unseen iceberg beneath the tip of a courtroom argument. Now, imagine you're the client. You might be facing the most challenging moment of your life. Your freedom, your family, or your future could be on the line. In this moment of uncertainty, your lawyer is more than just a legal expert. They are your confidant, your strategist, and your champion. They listen to your story, not just for the facts, but for the human element, the fear, the hope, and the desire for a fair outcome. This role of a counselor is one of the most vital, yet least celebrated, aspects of being a lawyer. It's about building trust and shouldering a heavy burden of responsibility. Then comes the courtroom, the theater of justice. The air is thick with anticipation. The judge, the jury, the opposing counsel, every person in this room plays a critical role. When a lawyer stands to speak, it's the culmination of all that preparation. The opening statement isn't just a summary, it's a story. It's the first chance to frame the narrative and connect with the jury on a human level, to paint a picture of what happened and why their client deserves to be heard. Cross-examination is where the real duel begins. It's a high-stakes chess match. Each question is carefully crafted, designed to test the credibility of a witness, expose inconsistencies, or reveal a hidden truth. A good lawyer listens intently, not just to the answers, but to the hesitations, the shifts in tone, the things left unsaid. They must think on their feet, adapting their strategy in real time. It requires immense focus, a sharp memory, and the courage to challenge a narrative, all while maintaining a calm and professional demeanor. One wrong question can backfire, but the right one can unlock the entire case. But advocacy isn't confined to criminal trials. Think about the civil lawyer fighting for a family wrongfully evicted from their home, or the environmental lawyer taking on a corporate giant to protect a community's clean water. These are battles for basic rights, for fairness, for a level playing field. These lawyers give a voice to those who might otherwise be voiceless, using the law as a tool for positive change. They are agents of social justice, working within the system to mend its cracks and hold power to account. Consider the work of an immigration lawyer, helping a family navigate a labyrinth of paperwork and policies to start a new life. Or a family law attorney, guiding individuals through the emotional turmoil of a divorce with compassion and care, striving for a resolution that protects the well-being of children. Every area of law has its own unique challenges and its own profound impact on people's lives. It's a profession built on the principle of helping others navigate complex and often intimidating systems. Let's not forget the emotional toll. Lawyers absorb the stress and anxiety of their clients. A loss in court isn't just a professional setback. It can feel like a personal failure, knowing the real-world consequences for the person they represented. They see people at their best and at their worst. Maintaining empathy without being consumed by it is a delicate balancing act, a skill learned over years of practice. It requires incredible resilience and a deep-seated belief in the importance of their work. Finally, the closing argument. This is the lawyer's last chance to bring everything together. It's a powerful, persuasive speech that weaves together the evidence, the testimony, and the law into a compelling narrative. They appeal not only to the logic of the jury, but also to their sense of fairness and justice. They remind the jury of their sworn duty to weigh the evidence impartially. It's the final push, the last powerful plea before the fate of their client is placed in the hands of others. And then, the wait. the tense silence as the jury deliberates. For the lawyer, these minutes or hours are filled with a potent mix of hope and apprehension. They have presented their case, fought their battle, and now, all they can do is wait for the verdict. When that verdict is read, whether it's a victory or a defeat, the case may be over, but the lawyer's work is not. They will move on to the next client, the next challenge, the next fight for justice. The world of a lawyer is a relentless cycle of preparation, advocacy, and a profound commitment to the principle that everyone deserves a voice. It's not about the drama you see on TV. It's about the quiet, tireless dedication to the law and the people it serves. Thank you for joining us on this look inside the world of lawyers. If you found this insightful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more documentaries that explore the fascinating professions that shape our world. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.